Got myself a Taiwanese empanada. I think it's Taiwanese empanada. Well, basically that's just a dough, and it has scallions and the usual empanada, you know, the pork beef like that. So ayun. And then I charged my Kaohsiung Easy Card with 500. So I think that is enough to get to and from Sun Moon Lake. I actually wanna go to the Formosan village, but I'm not sure kung may enough time pa tayo. But I'm hoping na magawa natin yung Sun Moon Lake in half day, and then the other half of the day we'll spend it sa Formosan village. And yesterday is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. That's why we are doing this. Good luck. Sana ay ma-accomplish natin yung mga gusto natin ma-accomplish ngayong araw na to. Now, pag napag-desisyonan natin na mag Formosan Village, the good thing about this is that with Klook, you get instant confirmation. So, pag hindi kinaya, hindi na lang tayo magbubook ng ticket. So, yun ang discover natin for today. Sana gumana. At ito pala ay ang Taichung Park. So, ito yung bus. 20 minutes bago umalis. Sabi, hintay lang daw. Pero, gusto ko nang kainin to. Actually, naumpisa ko na siyang kainin. Masarap siya. And I think hindi siya ganun kasarap pag malamig na. Pero masarap siya. So, pag nandito kayo, look for your Taiwanese empanada.
加点买五啊，我加点买五。哎呀，我的天呀，买五啊！你加就加那么五啊，你不能我麻烦你的。
Let's buy some snacks muna. This is the first stop of the 3 piers. I highly recommend that you book your ferry tickets via Klook because it's a lot more cheaper. It's very easy to redeem, and it's worth it. The lake is so beautiful. Grabe, ang ganda. So apparently this is a famous tea egg stand. So we shall try. Saan yung barya ko? Babalatan pa pala siya. Hindi ko dala yung microphone. First time Haven't really tried this. It's okay. Lasang egg. Tandaan mo, year number 1. Hindi kung san-san na pier ka nagpupunta. Thank you. Parang ayokong umakyat. Paakyat siya bis eh, no? Paakyat siya dun. Shopping lang naman yata. Palagay ko, mas maganda siguro na mag-Formosa na lang muna. Pero, ubusin muna natin tong ice cream ko. Guys, try nyo to. Masarap siya. Para siyang kape na hindi. Ano siya? 80 NT. So, times 1.73 sa conversion. So guys, pag nakita nyo tong trail na to, galing dun, yun na ang gamitin ninyo. Take this trail or this elevated walkway. Don't follow the signs. Just take this. It's faster. Medyo naligaw pa ako dahil sinundan ko yung mga signs. Okay. This is a Sakura cabin. And so, glass cabin siya. No extra charge. Piliin lang ng tama. Look! Hindi naman to ang unang pagkakataon na nag cable car ako mag-isa. Pero ang saya. Hi! Ang bilis niya na! At guys, pumila kayo doon sa Sakura kasi wala namang extra charge. So, grabe ang ganda. Papunta na tayo sa Formosan Village. So kung mag Salmon Lake kayo, oo. Kaya siya ng mga 2-3 hours tapos punta na kayo ng Formosan Village. Pero for today, kailangan natin makabalik ng 4 PM sa station kasi yun daw ang last trip. Kaya oo, kasi 5 o'clock naman din yung last trip ng bangka. Ng yate. So, pabalik dun sa bus. Wow! Oh, look, you can see Taichung from here. Ayun ang Taichung. Yun, Taichung. Ewan ko pa kung Taichung ba yun, pero... Ayan, bes.
Sorry, tapos na nang na-videoan ko. Ay, nakakahilo siya. Oo. Akala mo lang pambata pero hindi siya pambata. Or pwedeng pambata pero nakakahilo. Grabe. Ano ba naggagawa ako? Hello, sir. Hi. It's a Stegosaurus. Grabe, kinabahan ako. Akala ko mababasa ako. Woo! Hindi ko na videoan pero sumakay ako dyan. Space Mountain ang tawag nila dyan. At literal na Space Mountain ang doppelganger niya. Kung nakapag Space Mountain ka na sa Disneyland, it's the same thing. The only thing I don't like is yung pag hinto niya, very abrupt. But it was cool. It was cool. Masaya. Ayan. Next natin to. Kiddie Ride.
问请前方发烧，准备启动。
Hihiluhin na naman pa tayo. Ang galing! Nasa-shuffle-shuffle siya. So ito ang rason kung bakit ako nagpunta dito sa Formosan. Pero ayan, sarado siya. So, good luck next time. Sana bukas ka na. Looks very similar to the Cordilleran houses. Look, oh, there's a rat guard. Atyal tribe.